Hi everyone, welcome to your latest planning outlook updated on Friday evening the 26th of June. Now the Great British Summer is really just doing everything we'd expect of it. We've had some hot weather, some thunderstorms, and the next few days just a generally unsettled trend with cool conditions and some wind and some rain in the forecast. Now some day-to-day variations in terms of who gets the most of the rain on any one day, but most places will see some heavy and thundery bursts at times. Saturday's chart then sees low pressure centred just off Northern Ireland and out towards the western side of Scotland to a wraparound of a front just passing eastwards and northeastwards. A generally showery day, but some more organised bursts of rain to come at times. And it may start off largely dry across central northern Scotland, but I suspect a wraparound of areas of showers will just rotate northwards and break out increasingly as the daytime is going on. Strongest of the winds focused around the southern flank of the low into Wales and Pennine areas. A cooler feel for all, certainly compared to recent humid days. A windy day across most places on Sunday. Gale force winds across some of the mountains, particularly southern Scotland southwards. Nearer to the centre of the low, across the northern side of the Highlands, the winds comparatively lighter. A wraparound or a front, though, will produce some prolonged falls of rain as that just rotates across Scotland, and some frequent showery conditions coming into England and Wales as well, although a little bit more scattered here, maybe compared to Saturday. Temperatures then still distinctly on the cool side compared to recent days. That area of low pressure is staying around into Monday as well. There's some uncertainty of absolute detail, but it looks as though there's the risk of a wraparound of a front that is still encircling the low and may well move into the lakes and southwest Scotland, perhaps into North Wales at times too, with some areas of showers. A general day of sunshine and showers across Scotland, some of those heavy with the odd rumble of thunder not to be ruled out, and it stays windy, again the strongest of the winds more likely focused around the lakes and the Pennines. Now the previous low is just gradually moving away into Scandinavia by Tuesday. The next low is trying to move its way in from the southwest. Some uncertainty of absolute timing. It may go downhill again across the southwest of England and Wales as these next fronts move in. Ahead of that, a mix of sunshine and showers, perhaps showers fewer than previous days, but still one or two breaking out. Temperatures still a little bit on the cool side. The wind not as strong, just as the pressure pattern slackens off somewhat by this time. Some uncertainty of absolute detail and timing, but it's likely that this next low is tracking across England and Wales through the middle of the week, with some areas of rain and showers in the forecast here. The likelihood, though, that across Scotland it's more likely in a drier day with some showers around, but just away from the centre of that low you might find a decent day with lengthy dry spells and some sunshine and some cloud breaks, temporarily at least, into an easterly wind as that low is further south and the circulation just turns the wind around to the east across Scotland. So that low is just likely to rotate gradually across England and Wales through Wednesday, Thursday of the week ahead, again with maybe just another day of reasonably dry weather across Scotland as pressure is temporarily higher here at least through on into Thursday and perhaps even Friday. But we're just then starting to see the next low approaching from the Atlantic, so even if we do have a brief couple of maybe drier days, we're just on the risk of some further wind and rain moving back in from the Atlantic. The detail is going to be uncertain, but we're not getting high pressure to generally build all the way across the country just at the moment. So it must be said the outlook towards next weekend is still looking rather unsettled and disappointing. Stay up to date with your local forecast then for the 3 days ahead, updated every day on our website, of course, and I'll have the next video online for you on Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.